Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials and acting fast. Get one SBC, an SDR, and a compatible small cell, plug an antenna and power. While waiting for hardware, install OpenBTS or Open5GS on a Linux machine so core services are ready. Once done, provision a basic HLR/HSS record and create a test SIM profile. Make sure to reserve a local IP range for subscribers. Also verify you have the legal test authorization for your chosen frequency before transmitting. You now link radio and core together. Configure the cell, set IRFCON/ARFCON, transmit power and cell ID, then calibrate antenna direction for coverage. Next, configure the core, MME or AMF, SGW/PGW, HSS or UDM entries, plus an IMS or SIP gateway for voice. Once done, create APNs and routing rules so user traffic exits correctly. Make sure your backhaul is stable, preferably 1 Gbps, and apply NAT, firewall, and Co-S rules to prioritize. You finish by deploying and validating every path. Bring the site up, insert 1 to 5 test SIMs, and run attach, call, SMS, and data flows. Verify handovers if multiple cells exist. Then monitor logs and KPI dashboards for latency, throughput, and signaling errors. Collect S1 or N2 traces for deeper faults. Once done, scale capacity or add carriers. If things go wrong, start with one troubleshooting tip. Confirm MCC/MNC, IMSI/CHI on SIM, APN settings, and that required ports are open on the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.